Now first, let's create the sign up and login page of our application. Now in order to do that, first I have to create my new header. So I'll click here and click on add a new reusable element, and I'll give it a name of header new. Okay, and I'll click on create. Once this header has been created, let's double click on it and change its width to 1080 pixel and height to 90 pixel. Okay, and I will also change its color to 1D56A6. Okay, and that's it. I will leave everything as it is. After that, I'll add a group here so I can bond all this stuff together here. Bound all this stuff. I will add a group here, and after that I'll click on arrange and center horizontally and center vertically. Okay, after that I'll add a text here where I can put my name of my application. I'll add this stuff here. I'll double click on it and give it a name, property zone. Okay, property zone. Okay, after that I'll remove this style and change its font size to 45 and make this stuff bold, and I'll also change the text here to Arial. Okay, and I will center it, and I also will change its text color. So I will change this color to 192 E5B. Okay, now that's fine. I will make this stuff a little bit shorter. Okay, that's fine. Now I will click on arrange and arrange this stuff vertically. Okay, now I will add a two button here, one for sign up and one for login. Okay, so I'll click on buttons and I will add a button here. That's fine. I'll double click on it and change its text to sign up, and here in the name I'll change it to button sign up pop up, because I want to pop up appear whenever I click on this button. So I write this stuff so I know that what this button is for. Okay, after that I will remove this style, and first I'll increase its font size to 18, and after that I'll change the background color to 192 E5B, and I'll change the text color to 1D65A6. That's fine. Okay, and I will add a condition. Whenever someone hover over this button, I want to change its color to this one. Okay, after that I'll take a copy of this button and I'll take another copy of this button for sign out, which I'll show later. Okay, I'll change this to login, and I'll also change its name here, login, and I'll leave everything as it is. Okay, and for this button I'll change this text to log out, and also for name here log out. Okay, select both of these button and I will right click and I'll click on group element in a group. Okay, now both of these elements are in a single group, and I will put it here, and I will put this button at this position. Okay, after that let's create a pop-up. If I see here, I have arranged everything I will name this group also. Okay, group login and sign up. Okay, so I know that what this is for. After that, I will add a pop-up here. And I will adjust my pop-up. No, that's fine. First, I will add a group here, so I can bound every stuff here. That's fine, and I'll arrange my group centrally and horizontally. And I will also change the color of my pop-up box. So I will remove this tile and change the background color to 1D65A6. Yes, this is fine. Okay. After that, first I will add a text here. And I'll double click on it and write sign up. Okay, and after that I will also remove the style and make this stuff large. I will give it a font size of 40. If I see here, no, that's too small, so I will change this stuff to 50. And I'll change the font to Arial and make this stuff bold and centrally. Now that's fine. I'll change this color to this one, 192E5B. Okay, that's it. Now I will add a input box here for login and password. I'll click on this input and add a box here. Okay, I'll double click on it and change its placeholder to email address. Okay, and I will also change its name to email address for sign up. Okay, and I'll change the content format type to email. And after that, I'll leave everything as it is. Okay, and I'll take a copy of this for password and one more copy for confirm password. Okay, I double click here and change this placeholder to password and change this stuff to password, and I'll also change it name to password sign up. Okay, so I know that it is for sign up, and the last one is confirm password. Okay, and change it name to confirm password, and content type to again password. Okay, and I'll leave everything as it is, and finally I will add a button here. Okay, and I'll change this placeholder to sign up. Okay, and after that remove its style and change it font size and I'll also change it color to 192 E5B and background color to 1D 65A6. Okay, sorry, I'll change the background color to this one. I'll change the text color to this one and background color to 192 E5B. Now this is fine. Okay. After that, I'll take a copy of this pop-up for sign up. I'll click on it and click on Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. And if I click here, one is for pop-up A and one is for pop-up B. Okay. I'll change this pop-up name to pop-up sign up. Okay. And pop-up B to pop-up login. After that, in pop-up login we don't need confirm password, so I'll remove this stuff and I will arrange this here accordingly, and I will also change text to login. Okay. Other than that, I'll change the button text to login and this placeholder name to login and input login password login. Okay, now that's fine. Now after that, let's add a workflow to these two buttons. Okay, first I'll select this button. I can also select this stuff from here. I'll click on button sign up pop-up. Okay, and I'll double click here and click on start workflow. And what I want to do, whenever I click on this button, I want to show a pop-up. So I'll click on element action and click on show, and I'll select the element pop-up sign up. That's it. And I will also add this stuff to this button. Okay, start workflow, and I want to show the element, and this time I want to show the pop-up login. Okay, now let's add the workflow to our pop-up login sign up button. So I'll click on first sign up and I'll select this one and add a workflow to it, and I will add a workflow to it account sign the user up. And for email address, I will click on input email address sign up and its value, and for password, input password sign up and its value, and I will also click on require a confirm password. Okay, so I'll tell that where the confirmation password is, so I'll click on input confirm password sign up and its value. Now that's it for here. Okay, other than that, I'll click here and I'll select pop-up sign up and double click on its button and start an edit workflow to it, and this time I will log the user in. Okay, for email address, input email address login and its value, and for password, input password login and its value. Okay, that's it here. Other than that, let's add a workflow to this logout button. I'll double click on it and start an edit workflow, and whenever this button is clicked, I want the log out the user, so I'll click here and I will leave this space empty. Okay, now I want that whenever the person is login, only the logout button show up here, and when person is not login, this logout button is not showable here. Okay, so first I'll click on my logout button and click on condition, and I'll add a condition here. Okay, I want when the current user is not logged in, this element is visible. Okay, I will leave this box as it is. Okay, after that I will also add a condition to these both buttons. So I'll select this from here, group login and sign up, and I will add a condition only to this group. It will apply to both of these buttons. When the current user is logged in, this element is visible. Okay, and I will again leave this stuff here, and after that, now if we preview our application, first I have to add my application to my index page. Okay, I will add this header to index page. I will click here and scroll down and click on header new, and I will add this header here. That's fine here. Okay, and I'll click on preview. Okay, you can see that logout button is not visible right now because I am not signed up. So I'll click on sign up and add my email address, maria@gmail.com, and I'll add a password, test, confirm password, test, and I'll click on sign up. Now once I click on sign up, nothing's happen here. That's why, because I have not tell the application what to do after the user is signed up. So first I'll see here in our database, and in user I'll refresh this stuff here. You'll see that a new username has been added here. Okay, now this is in the default all user type. Okay, you can see this one is default user, and I have email address and password for that here. And if I see here, I think there is some problem because the logout button is also not visible here. I will first go to my header new, and here in new header I will click on button logout. Okay, and here I'll check this mark. If I refresh this page now, you'll see that logout button is visible, and if I log out from here, you'll see that it disappear here. Okay, now let's add a image here. So I'll first I'll move to my index page and I'll add an image here. Okay, I'll select image, and then I'll draw my image here first. Then I'll double click on it and change it width to 1080 and height also to 1080. Okay, and I'll click on image, and then I will add the image here. I'll select this image. Okay, now it will take some time to load this image and upload it to our application. Once the image is been uploaded, we have some issues here, so we have to solve these issues. First, this element is not clickable. I will check this mark. I'll click on make this element fixed width. Okay, and I will add a width of 1080 pixel and height of 1080 pixel again. Okay, if I see here in our responsive, it is not perfect right now, so I will select this stuff here and uncheck this mark. Okay, now it's fine. I'll move here again into my UI builder. Okay, now I will add a a big text here written property zone, the name of my application. So I will click here and add a text, select the text here and add a text element here. I want a big text here, so I'll make it big. Okay, I'll double click on it and write property zone. Okay, and I'll remove style and give it a size of 160 pixel. Okay, and I will change it font to Arial and make this stuff bold. I will decrease it height to 150. Again it's, so I'll again change to 130. Now it's fine, and make this stuff center. Okay, other than that I will also change it color to 192 E5B. Okay, now I'll select this text layer and arrange this stuff vertically, sorry, horizontally. I'll arrange this horizontally. Okay, now if I preview my application right now, I'll refresh it here. You'll see the home page and sign up page of our application. If I click on this sign up, you'll see this sign up pop up and all this stuff here. Okay.